When we go to a gym and we try to shake that 15 kgs and we feel it's better it stays in the rack and then go to a 7.5 kgs and you do your shoulder press or whatever it is. The question is not whether one day you can lift those 15 kgs or not. The question is that you have to grow the muscles that can one day lift the 15 kgs. The question is not whether I will be able to run 1,000 crore organization or not. The question is to develop my leadership to that level where I can run 1,000 crore organization. It is to become what I want to be. And it's all about me. Somewhere when the boy is in his early adolescence, he weds for the first time. He starts having dreams, and there is a release that happens, and he attains that sexual potency. Somewhere that girl in her early teens attains puberty, and now she is a sexual adult. She has attained that state of sexual adulthood. Was this added to her? All the organs in the body that was required to take her to that state or take him to the state was already there. But there is this growth that is required of 9 years, 10 years, 11 years, 13 years, 14 years, depending on when it happened, where all these organs within me had to mature to that level where the potential that was already there, no organ got added, but everything got revealed at that stage. Physically, we understand this, that you are born with every functionality that you attain. You are already born with that. Just that it takes so many years for it to mature to that stage where at that level of maturity, now you attained your sexual adulthood. The muscles were already there. It had to be grown to that strength where it can handle that load. Potential is already there. But you had grown your leadership capabilities, your resource management capabilities, your strategic abilities to a stage where right now, the same you who struggled to run a 2 crore business is now having a struggle but with a 1,000 crore business. But it has grown into this stage. It's still a struggle because at every stage our maturity level is one leg below what responsibilities we are handling. If now you go back and handle the 2 crore business, you will do it in your sleep. But at this level, you are still struggling. And tomorrow you will be a 10,000 crore organization where 1,000 crore organization will look like child's play. But you will have your struggles at 10,000 crore. But we keep growing into this. Similarly, the day you were born as a human being, the potential for you to become divine in every aspect of you was already there. We are just growing into it. The potential for you to magnetize everything into your life, you simply have to desire, was already there. The potential for you to be an eternal lover was already there. The potential for you to be eternally happy was already there. The potential for you to be eternally pure was already there. The potential for you where you don't have to meditate in life, but your life itself becomes a meditation was already there. The potential for you where you no more worship God, but you actually live with God was already there. The potential that there need not be another moment of aloneness in your life. That you know that in every moment, either your faith is walking with you or carrying you was already there. The potential for the world to know you through your work. The talent and capabilities was already there. Everything was there. But based on where we focus on and the directions in which we focus on, we grow into it. But point for all of you to learn is this two things. One, you have to become what you want to be. It is not that nobody should have this question. Can I actually build $1 billion organization? That's details. I have to become the person who can run $1 billion organization. Rest is details. Can man actually be divinity on the move? That's not your job. You just make yourself so beautiful that life has no other alternative. All those lines automatically disappears. You become the person that you want to be. As long as I can take care of my side of cleaning the bottle from inside, life has to keep filling it with the most divine, abundant content of every form. You live life with no other alternative.